Updating your API settings on StreamYard is a straightforward process that can enhance your streaming experience. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log into your StreamYard account. Visit the StreamYard website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access API settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Access API settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your API key. If you need to change your API key, find the field where your current key is displayed. Enter the new API key you wish to use and ensure it is correctly formatted. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your API settings, look for the Save button at the bottom of the settings page. Click it to apply your changes and confirm that the updates have been successfully saved. Now you are ready to utilize your updated API settings on StreamYard. Enjoy streaming!